Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I'm gonna be using Makartt's Blue Polygel kit. I did try the pink polygel kit a few months ago. If you want to check that out, I will leave the link in the description down below. And yeah. I love Makartt's aesthetic. Everything is blue and cute, and you get 4 different shades of polygel. Let me show you a quick close-up. So here's everything you get in this kit, except for the gel forms that I won't use because I don't like them. Of course, I'm gonna start with my nail prep. I won't get into details this time, but let me know if you want to see a detailed video of my nail prep routine and how to prevent lifting. Do not worry guys, everything I'm using will be listed in the description box. So here I'm applying a thin layer of base coat. I actually forgot to blend the tips into my natural nails, but it still worked perfectly fine. To start this design, I'm going to squeeze 843 directly on my nail and use light patting motions to mold it into a ballerina shape. This step is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'll let you watch for a bit and you will see that I did the exact same thing on my index finger and pinky. Now, this was my first time doing marble with Polygel. I watched so many tutorials, but I never really liked the results. So you will see that I'm kind of improvising and trying to figure out a way to achieve a perfect marble, as if I was using, I don't know, like acrylic or regular gel. I admit it was definitely not working. As you can see, I'm just playing with it and I'm trying to create some marble. It is so painful to rewatch this right now. But you guys know I always keep it real. I won't do as if it was super easy if it's not. So let's just watch me struggle. I'm telling you guys, I almost got discouraged there and I wanted to give up, but I'm glad I didn't, because on the second try you'll see that I finally found my own technique. I am squeezing a little bit of each shade of blue next to the other. Then I use the spatula to give them a little swirl. Then I pick it up and place it on the nail. Then I add a little more of the lighter shades here and there. Then I swirl again until I get the perfect marble. I know it looks crazy right now, but I'm telling you, it has to be messy like that to look good. So when I'm satisfied with the look, I just clean up the sides and done. This one looks so much better. Now I am using 841, which is clear, to encapsulate the design so I don't mess it up when I file. I really do believe that Makartt has the best polygels. I just feel like they go on so smooth and they're as strong as acrylic. And I love how you can get bomb nails with every single kit they have. Now with my barrel bit, I'm smoothing out the cuticle area and the apex. Then I perfect the shape a little bit with the hand file. Now I'm applying a thick layer of this super shiny top coat on my pinky, index, and thumb. And then I applied this matte top coat, which is also from Makartt, to my ring and middle finger. Now you guys know this is my favorite part. I am using Cara Sky's new rose scent oil to revive my dry ass cuticles. And voila! If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe because there will be more. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.
That's good.